If your rental car was totaled in an accident while you were visiting California, insurance should be able to cover a replacement rental for you. But if you were not the party at fault in that accident, it shouldn't be your insurance provider that's called upon. It should be theirs. When another driver is responsible for your accident, they or their insurance provider should be responsible for its costs as well, and those costs can go far beyond a rental vehicle. A serious accident can leave you with long-term injuries requiring expensive recovery care. But the more costly your damage is, the more an insurance company will balk at their price tag. Insurers are notorious for all sorts of unfair tactics to deny your claim. That's why having an experienced personal injury attorney practicing in California can benefit you. At Mason Law, we want you to have the full resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. If you've been injured in an accident while visiting California, contact Mason Law right away.